I would say a pram, a baby, a car seat, diapers.
Without a car seat, you cannot
You
leave
cannot
the
leave the
hospital.
hospital.
A bottle just in case if breastfeeding doesn't work.
A bed.
I might spoil the baby a bit.
I think you will.
What products do we really need?
Well, that sounds logical.
Take the belt, connect it somewhere, and then here.
You click it in with little strappies.
He's an expert.
Well,
Seatbelt thingies. No?
When you're installing a car seat, it's important to know if you need to install it with a seat belt or with Isofix. When you're installing it with a seat belt, you need to make sure that during the installation process, the seat belt is not twisted and the seat belt is always stretched out. When you're installing a car seat with Isofix, you need to make sure that both Isofix connectors are attached to the vehicle anchorage points. Make sure that the third fitting point is also in position, for example, the top tether or support leg.
The baby also has a belt. I don't tighten much. And it needs to be really tight?
Probably not too tight, also not too loose.
That you can just get a finger under it.
Ah, how do you know all this?
I mean, if you're in a race car,
That's not
you
the
know,
same.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same way. You get the same way strapped, kind of-ish.
Okay.
The most common mistake when you install a child in a car seat is that the harness is too loose. So always pay attention to the fact that there's no more space between the child and the harness than 1 centimeter.
Yeah. But that's good to know. 1 finger.
I'd like a cool color.
Yeah, but you have these strollers and you can change like their appearance.
Yeah, we
Got one, huh?
we have one stroller.
safety for the babies, that it's a safe one, and then once again to make it
Practical.
Yeah, practical.
And you can attach different things on it. So one for the car,
Yeah.
one where they can sleep and one where they can sit in.
7 tips for buying a stroller. Consider starting with just a frame. An infant is most comfortable in his car seat.
Okay.
Buy a stroller and car seat together.
When you're searching for the perfect stroller, it's really important to make sure that it fits your main lifestyle. If you live in a city center, it's important to have a stroller that is ultra compact because it's lightweight and easy to fold. If you live outside of the city and you go in the countryside on bumpy roads, it's really important to have a comfortable stroller with big wheels and suspension.
Is it okay to...
I don't think it's okay to run with a stroller.
It says it's not safe to run with a child under 6 months in a jogging stroller unless your stroller has a car seat adapter.
Oh, wow.
Or maybe he likes it. You don't know?
You never know.
Yeah, if I did that, I would be a lot fitter than I was when I was with a young baby. Yes, it's okay. Not when your child is really young, I think, and a doctor can tell when it's really okay for the baby because of its body. But if your baby's okay and you have a good stroller, then you can.
Yeah, it surprises me.
That's actually a really good question.
What products do we really need?
Well, first of all, the main product, as you said, is the car seat, because without a car seat, you cannot leave the hospital.
I would say a pram, a baby, a car seat, diapers, maybe a bottle just in case if breastfeeding doesn't work.
A
Yes,
bed where you can sleep in.
Of course, bed, yeah.
I might spoil the baby a bit.
I think you will.
Of course, that's what you do, also being parents for the first time. Then you're there in the shop and then you look
That's a good one.
which is the crib that you like the most, because you think that it's gonna be so nice. Babies are gonna look so, it's safe, it's comfy. The mattress is this thicker than ours.
I am working at Maxi-Cosi, but I'm also a mom of 2 children. And when I was pregnant, I was overwhelmed with all the products that you could buy. And my advice would be to buy the essentials, like a baby car seat and a stroller, and the rest will come naturally.
You need the basics, and that's all. So a good bed, a good crib, because most of the stuff you don't really need. I remember when I was having my baby, I wanted everything new, and most of the things I never used.
You need clothes, otherwise it will be cold.
You get loads of clothes, right?
I don't know, I haven't yet.
So many presents for people, and everyone buys clothes. So we bought quite some clothes, and now we realize they grow so fast. And every time someone comes to visit the babies, then they bring some clothes, and then at the end of the day, I mean,
you don't need to buy clothes.
No.
I don't think we have too much unnecessary stuff right now. I hope not.
but that I guess is the unexperience, right?
Especially if you don't know the babies yet.
No.
Like you're so excited that you want the best for them.